Hey everybody, this is Ace. Haven't recorded an open house video for a long time, but today I'm back in Durham, 1017 Whitehall Circle here in Durham, 27713. A very desirable zip code and also a very good neighborhood. Really newer constructions. This was built in 2024, and it's a stunning property with a ton of built-ins and upgrades. Yeah, let me take you a look. This is 1017 Whitehall Circle, and the neighbor's property, and you have a nice wooded front view right in front of the property. For this one, a lot of brickwork and fiber cement siding, architectural shingles. At this price point, it's really justified, and it's really nice. You can see I like the little arches he has. Gives a really nice old school and premium vibe. Okay. Walking up to the property, again, fiber cement siding. I like this cute color. It kind of has a matte finish to it, and this property sits really high up, provides a really nice view. Welcome to 1017 Whitehall. The property is currently listed at $925. See some built-in shelving, fireplace, gas fireplace, nice living room, hardwood floor, really high ceiling throughout the entire property, and there is the office. Really modern finishes throughout the house, like fixtures, appliances, countertops. It's really light and bright colors make this house feel light and airy and very open. This property is just shy of 3,000 square feet, but with modern floor plan and newer constructions, it makes the home feels much bigger than the square footage. Fancy microwave that pops up from the cabinets, wine cellar, dishwasher, gas stove, microwave, refrigerator, washer and dryer. They all convey with the property. Cute countertop, as you can see. The HO is $420 every quarter, and it provides a 5,000 square feet clubhouse, a fitness club, and common ground maintenance and common ground insurance. So it's a really cute place, especially you're someone who care about going to the gym or working out, getting some cardio done, lifting some weights. Having that within the community is really nice. Oversized tall door. Here is your pantry, and it goes back a bit more. But let me show you the primary suite first. Here is the primary suite, really tall ceiling. You have a window on the left side that gives you view to the street and the wooded lot. And you have more openings on top, so there's some more natural light, but it's currently closed. Nice shower. There's a sitting area, all tile, and really big shower. heated towel hanging place for you. Double vanity, of course. Really cute, you guys. And here is the toilet. This is what I like the most about this property. So from primary suite, you get to your full bath, of course, and then direct access to your walk-in closet. It's really spacious as well. And then that goes to the super laundry room, washer, dryer, and a sink, and some built-ins. Really cute. And you have more built-ins from the garage area, just right here. And you have some place for your shoes. You can sit down to take care of your shoes. Very cute. And you have a 2-car garage right over here. The house also has a tankless water heater, a Renai tankless water heater right there. That saves you some money throughout the years, and they last a little bit longer typically than the traditional water heater. Very cute kitchen. And for the back patio area, you have these really nice sitting area, and when the seller purchased the property, they also upgraded to this little break area that makes it very nice. You can grill, have a fireplace, additional sitting area. You can do whatever you want, and the amount of backyard lawn maintenance is not overwhelming at all. And you have another access close to the garage right here. Very cute. And it's also fenced, metal fences. Okay, let's go upstairs. Walking up to upstairs, all carpeted. Really nice fluffy carpet in really good condition. Like I said, this is a newer construction that was built in 2024. So very nice. And you have hardwood floor throughout the common area. And here is the first bedroom. It's currently used as a little exercise gym area. Shared full bath with double vanity as well. Very cute. Another bedroom right here. As you can see, the neighbor's roof are architectural shingles, and also for this one as well. More storage area in this closet. The closet are generously spaced. It's pretty big. Right here you have the last bedroom. This is a in-suite bedroom as well. You have a walk-in closet right here. Nice soaker tub. Fixture. It's really nice for families with babies. It's really easy to get them bathed and shower. Here you have another full set of living area that is very cute. This is a lounging area. There's some more office space. And a wet bar for your snacks or drinks. It's very cute. Yeah. Thank you guys for touring 1017 Whitehall with me. Again, this is a beautiful property here in Durham, 27713 zip code. I call it the 2771315 because you get to everywhere pretty much 15 minutes. Duke, NCCU, Durham downtown, RTP, everything is about 15 minutes. If you want groceries, that'll be much closer, of course, but major attractions, it's about 15-20 minutes away, depending on where the house is. But this one, everything is about 15-20 minutes away. Really nice, and really pretty much brand new construction. Was built in 2024, and the HOA is $420 per quarter, and he offers a clubhouse, fitness center, common ground maintenance, and common ground insurance. So really nice. This house has a lot to offer. The two wine cellars, wet bar, refrigerator, washer and dryer, and the upgrades throughout the house: the granite countertops, double vanities for both full bathrooms, and you have a guest bathroom, a half bath downstairs, and you have another in-suite if your parents or someone is living here with you as well. And you have tankless water heater, architectural shingles, fiber cement sidings. Yeah, so the developer really didn't cheap out on this one, and it has a lot to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.